Narrowhouse derives its essence from the constraint of the site. The design embraces the challenges of a slender plot rather than the limitation of narrow footprint. We use this linearity to create a flowing sequence of spaces. It means the design is very functional, practical, and you get a very homely feeling. Hi, I'm architect Rachna from the Envision Studio. Join me for the exclusive home tour of the Narrow House from Kolhapur. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. So the plot is located in the central urban core of the city. Gadinglas, that is located in the southern west corner of the Kolhapur district. So client approached us with a footprint of 17 feet by 70 feet, envisioning a bungalow that is deeply homely and at the same time can accommodate modern requirements. So stepping inside a small entrance lobby, there is a living space. This particular narrow house unfolds into 3 different zones. The first is the social front, the second is the courtyard and the service spine, and third is the private sanctum. So as you enter the home, you see the living room at the first and then the central courtyard, which is the defining feature of the house, you can say. So living room opens into balcony at the one side. The balcony door is a sliding folding door made in wooden on site by artisans. There is inbuilt Indian sitting in the living room, which gives a very casual feel for the informal gatherings. We have added a puja space in the northeast corner of the house, considering the Vastu compliance. So this courtyard brings in light and ventilation, but at the same time, as the circulation is planned around this courtyard, this keeps the courtyard very active functionally, visually, and also allows a lot of visual connection between the spaces and levels. The wall concealing the services is highlighted by a custom-made mural by an artist. Next to that is the private sanctum, where the bedrooms are planned to maintain privacy and sense of calm. So the service area and staircase has been planned alongside the courtyard. Instead of giving this typical glass railing, we have tried to give decorative panel to enhance the space. The straight flight staircase, decked in stone, takes you to the first floor. It opens up into the family lounge placed next to the courtyard. So this place gives visual connectivity between various levels and spaces. The railing is made in fabric glass and teak wood. Fabric has been selected as per our material palette, and it has been sandwiched between the toughened glass from both the sides. On the first floor, we have placed kids' bedroom at the front end of the house. So we have placed bed centrally in front of the courtyard. So the first thing in the morning you see is the greenery and the fresh light, which lightens up your day for the mood. Next is master bedroom, that is planned next to the family lounge. It has been planned next to the family lounge so that residents can enjoy this family space. Above the kids' room, there is a small terrace garden. We have balcony openings at the front end of the house. One is at the living room and one is opening from the kids' bedroom. So the air flows from this living room to the courtyard and it takes up. We have added louvers at the top, and this enhances proper air and natural ventilation in the house, keeping the climate comfortable year round. I think so site is not a constraint. How we work on it, that matters a lot. So in spite of this narrow footprint, we have tried our best to make the home very well ventilated and respond to the tropical climate, as we say. The basic material palette, we have tried to keep it very neutral and simple. We have used Australian white marble for the flooring. Then we have used single full body vitrified tile for cladding. So our challenge was to bring these functions together seamlessly within the given site constraint, while ensuring the home remains functional, light-filled and welcoming, true to the essence of a lived-in family bungalow.